Hi guys, what's the story? Welcome back to another video. My name's Jack and I've been full-time traveling around the world since with my laptop since 2020 because of these markets. Now, the purpose of this channel is to get you to the same sort of level of freedom that you want. Does that sound good? I hope so. If it does, hit subscribe, turn the notifications on because these markets are super fast. So turn the notifications on so you never miss another video. Now, let's get into the topic of this video. So today we're talking about Oasis Network, ROSE. Now, I am very bullish on this coin. However, I've found something here that I need to tell you about, and that is a supply unlock, right? And this could actually negatively affect the price in the short term. We're not talking about the long term here. We're talking in the next couple of days, short-term price action. So basically what we've got here is we've got about 1.8% of the total supply being released on the 17th of February. So put that date in your calendar because stuff like this, supply unlocks, can negatively affect the price in the short term. Now, I am, as I said, just to repeat, I am bullish on this coin long term, but just in the immediate short term, it's something that you need to pay attention to. So put that in your calendar. This website is cryptorank.io. I highly recommend adding that to your bookmarks because it can give you a little bit of an edge, So what could we actually expect here in the price? Well, let's start by taking a look at previous examples. So we had the 17th of February, 2023, we had a 39% drop. Now, the whole market was crashing at that point, so I'm not exactly in the camp that that's going to happen this time. On the 17th of May, 2023, we had an 8.8% drop in the immediately following the supply increase, the supply release, sorry. On the 17th of August, we had a 16% drop. And then on the 17th of November, we had a 17.5% drop in the immediate short term. So that's just to give you an example of what we're sort of expecting here and to show you the sort of theory behind this, what I've found. So if we were to give a sort of expectation, so if we were to take it from the local high here and providing that Bitcoin continues rallying, which it is right now, I would say the pullback would be less significant than these ones. But I would say, as a sort of maximum, I would say an 8% to a 15% pullback, right? So that would put your short-term target at about 11 cents down to sort of 10.7 cents. And that's where I would be sort of looking. Now, just to interrupt you there, if you are enjoying the video so far, please do leave a like, leave a comment, hit subscribe. I am a small channel. It really, really makes a difference if you just engage with the video. The algorithm, it really helps people find me. Now back to the video. So what actions can you actually take with this information? So I'll tell you what I've done. And this isn't financial advice. This is what I've done. So I have a pretty big position in ROSE. It's one of my largest positions. And I sort of made the assessment that we might not drop so much this time, but I want to be prepared in case we do. So what I've done, I've sold 10% of my ROSE today, but I've sold it into Bitcoin. So if I'm wrong and the market continues rising, I'm not going to lose out on as much percentages if I'm wrong. However, if I'm right and ROSE does drop, then I can easily just sell my Bitcoin back into ROSE at a 10 to 15% discount. And that's what I'm doing. Now, my invalidation for this is a break above this local high here at 12.5 cents. And if price closes above that level, I abandon my thesis and I jump back into my ROSE. Might lose a couple of percentage points, but I would rather, for me, as I'm a sort of hybrid sort of investor, I'm sort of more of a trader investor, if you want to call it that. I like to take advantage of these short-term moves. If there's history, if there's a thesis, if there's a reason for me to believe that the price might drop, I want to take advantage of that. And that's why I've made this video for you today, just to give you my thoughts on this. I thought a lot of you might not know about this right now because I know a lot of people do not check this website. But I feel it's good because it gives you an edge against the rest of the market, and that's what it is all about. So if you did enjoy that video, and I hope you did, please do leave a subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you thought, and leave a like. It really does make a difference. With the big channels, maybe not so much, but for me, as a small channel trying to get off the ground, your like, your comments, your engagement, it means a lot, and it makes a big difference. All right, so I hope you got some value from that, and I will see you in the next